cooked, had she cooked, had she not cooked, why had she cooked, why had she not cooked.
हाँ गुड, जबरदस्त है, अच्छे से आपने बनाया है। अच्छा है, और कोई बोलेगा इसमें?
जी बोलता हूँ।
हाँ।
He had gone, he had not gone, had he gone,
जी।
had he not gone, why had he gone, why had he not gone.
हाँ गुड, माशाल्लाह, ज़बरदस्त है, अच्छा है। और बिलाल भाई आप बोले।
Z had answered, Z had not answered, had Z answered, had Z not answered, why had Z answered, why had Z not answered.
हाँ ये भी है, अच्छा है, ज़बरदस्त तरीके से। और कोई है बोलने के लिए?
जी बोले।
हाँ बोले, आप बोले, बिल्कुल बोले।
He had slept, he had not slept, had he slept, had he not slept, why had he slept, why had he not slept.
गुड, ज़बरदस्त। और बाकी?
You had slept,
जी।
you had slept, you had not slept, had he slept, had you slept, had you not slept, why had you slept, why had you not slept.
गुड। और कोई बचा है इसमें? और दूसरे लफ्ज़ के साथ कोई बोलना चाहे, लेकिन एक एक करके बोलें, दोबारा भी बोलें, कोई हर्ज नहीं। कोई दूसरा लफ्ज़? अब मुर्तज़ा भाई आप बोलेंगे?
बोलो। She had cooked, she had not cooked, has she cooked, has she not cooked,
जी।
why has she cooked, why has she not cooked.
गुड, ज़बरदस्त। और फिर कोई है?
जी।
हाँ बोले मोबिन भाई।
जी।
She had cooked, she had read, she had not read, had she read, had she not read, why had she read, why had she not read.
ज़बरदस्त। और फिर कोई बोलना चाह रहे थे?
You had taught, you had not taught, had you taught, had you not taught, why had you taught, why had you not taught.
हाँ गुड, ज़बरदस्त। और फिर कहें कोई बोले, आप जितना बोलना चाहे उतना बोलें, इसी को बोलें।
He had written, he had not written, he had written, he had not written, had he written, had he not written, why had he written, why had he not written.
गुड, ज़बरदस्त, माशाल्लाह। और फिर कोई मुबीन भाई आप तैयार, कुछ कह रहे थे?
Altaf had written, Altaf had not written.
हाँ बोले।
Had Altaf written, had Altaf not written, why Altaf had written, why had Altaf not written.
हाँ ज़बरदस्त, बिल्कुल सही है। और फिर बोले आप, कोई और है?
You had written, you had written, you had not written. Had you written, had you not written, when had you written, when had you not written.
When had you, माशाल्लाह, ज़बरदस्त है। मुर्तज़ा भाई आप फिर कुछ बोलेंगे?
Hindus had attacked, Hindus had not attacked, had Hindus attacked, had Hindus not attacked, why had Hindus attacked, why had Hindus not attacked.
जी ज़बरदस्त, जुमला अच्छा है, हालात से मुताबिक है, बहुत अच्छा है। और फिर कोई?
He had played, he not played. हेलो।
हाँ बोले।
He had played, he had not played, had he played, had he not played, when he had played, when had he not played.
गुड, ज़बरदस्त है, ज़बरदस्त ज़बरदस्त।
Unknown person had killed, sir.
हाँ बोले बोले।
Unknown person had killed.
Good.
Unknown person had not killed.
Good.
Had an unknown person killed.
Good.
Had unknown person, had not unknown person killed.
Good.
Why unknown person had killed?
बोले।
Why had unknown person had killed?
हाँ।
Why had not unknown person killed?
हाँ सही है, इसमें कुछ चीज़ें इधर से उधर हो गई हैं।
थर्ड।
हाँ हेल्पिंग वर्ब थोड़ा इधर उधर हुआ, हेल्पिंग वर्ब है, फिर नॉट है, उसके बाद फिर ये सब्जेक्ट भी थोड़ा मश्क की ज़रूरत है ना सर। हाँ बोले
सर बोले। मारने का थर्ड फॉर्म किल्ड आएगा ना? जी
जान से मारने को किल बोलते थे, कि जान से मारने को बोलते हैं किल। आप चाहे चाकू से मारे हैं, चाहे फिर आप कह लें कि गोली से मारें, चाहे आप खंजर से मारें, किसी भी तरीके से बोलते हैं उसको किल बोलते हैं। और फिर जैसे तमाचा मारना है भाई, हाथ से मारना है, ऐसे ही हल्की फुल्की चोट ली उसको बोलते हैं हिट, HIT हिट।
सर
जी सुनिए।
टेरर हैड किल्ड,
जी
टेरर हैड किल्ड,
गुड।
टेरर हैड नॉट किल्ड।
हाँ टेरर नहीं बोलते, टेररिस्ट है, टेररिस्ट बोलते हैं।
ऐसे टेरर नहीं, वो टेररिस्ट,
टेरर मतलब होता है दहशत और टेररिस्ट मतलब होता है दहशतगर्द।
दहशतगर्द। टेररिस्ट हैड किल्ड,
जी
टेररिस्ट हैड नॉट किल्ड,
जी
हैड टेररिस्ट किल्ड,
जी
हैड टेररिस्ट नॉट किल्ड।
जी
Why terrorist had killed?
Why had terrorist?
Why had terrorist killed?
जी
Why had terrorist not killed?
हाँ जबरदस्त।